Bodyworks. So I am going to show you how to fill used bottles with Epsom salts for a nice, relaxing, rejuvenating bath. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to need a couple things. I usually keep my used oil bottles that I want to use for the bath in my master bathroom in a Ziploc bag with the lids on. You're going to need some Epsom salts. You can find this at any store pretty much, even at the grocery. I usually leave my Epsom salts in the bathroom so that I have it quickly anytime I want to give some TLC to some muscles. I fill my bottles usually all at once because it's just a time saver for me. Now these are bottles that you've already used the very last drop, or you think you've used the very last drop, but those old bottles still have just a little bit of love left in them. So what you want to do is take off the lid, pop out the little plastic insert here that helps with the flow. And then because I do all of mine at the same time, I usually put the Epsom salts in a bowl, but you could do it right into the bag. Just cut the top of the bag off so you can dip your hand in there. Just know that if you're leaving your Epsom salts in your bathroom, or you're leaving your oils with Epsom salts in your bathroom, that Epsom salts absorbs moisture. So it can get a little cakey. It's always good to have a rubber band on the bag or a lid after you fill it in the bottle, okay? So I just dip it in, straight in, and kind of shake it so that the Epsom salts goes down into the container. This is just a small bowl that I don't use very often, so it is my designated Epsom salts bowl, but you could use a bigger bowl as well. So right now I'm filling a frankincense bottle. I'm going to leave the little plastic thing out and just put the lid back on and give it a little tap to get all the excess off, and then I'll leave it in there until I'm ready to take a bath. I've already filled a couple over here. Lavender and cedarwood is really great if you want to take a nice relaxing bath before bed. Frankincense is always an amazing oil, as you probably already know if you're watching this essential oil video. You could use other things that help support sore muscles. Just be careful with any hot oils in the bathtub, like oregano. Some people are a little sensitive to peppermint, but just kind of play around with it and see what works for you. When I go to put the oil in the bathtub, I take the lid off and I put the whole bottle down in the tub while it's filling with hot water. And I usually leave it sitting up. And then when I get in there, I'll kind of scoop it in the water and get all of the Epsom salts out to make sure that I'm getting every last drop of essential oil out of the bottle. And this is a great way to use oils in the bath as well, because when you put oil straight in water, oils are not water soluble, so they just kind of float around the top. Of course, they'll get on your skin and stuff, but sometimes they can make a little bit of a mess. So I hope this video helps you. Tips and tricks are always fun to play around with, and recycling and making sure that you're using every last drop of your essential oil is always really important as well. So thanks again. Have a great day.